Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will teach you how to sell your Bitcoin on the OKX P2P platform for Indian rupees. By the way, if you haven't checked out our video tutorials on how to buy Bitcoin on OKX P2P platform using Indian rupees, then click on the annotation popping right here. So to start off, you need to first log into your OKX platform. Simply enter your email ID or mobile number and your password and click on login. You can also log in using your Telegram ID or Google account. If you have enabled two-step verification, you might need to enter the verification code sent to your mobile number in this field. Okay, so after the two-step login verification, you will see the OKX dashboard, which shows your current balance. In order to sell your Bitcoin, you need to click on this Buy Sell tab and then on this P2P button. By default, OKX will take you to the buy page. But since you want to sell your Bitcoins, you need to go to the sell page by clicking on this Sell tab. Here, you will see all the sell orders. However, you need to make sure that you have selected BTC in this field instead of any other coin. Also, you can choose the payment method by which you wish to receive your Indian rupees for your Bitcoins. That being said, do make sure you have updated your payment details in your account setting. You need to choose the sell order or the seller with whom you wish to trade. You can select your seller on the basis of his completion rate, price of Bitcoin, BTC available and selling limit range. In this case, we are selecting this seller. Now, let's click on this red color Sell BTC button. A dialog box will appear on your screen. Enter the BTC you want to sell. Make sure your Bitcoins are in your funding account. You also need to select the payment mode in which you wish to receive your INR payment. OKX offer bank transfer and UPI facility as well. Also, make sure you cross-check all the details again from this area like price, limits and BTC availability. If everything looks great, click on this blue colored Sell BTC button. OKX will again ask for confirmation. Check the details and click on this blue colored Continue button. A new tab will be opened where you will now have to wait for the INR payment in your bank account from the seller. You can find your bank account details on this page and see if everything is alright. You can also chat with the seller over here in this chat box if you have any special requirement. For now, we need to wait for some time for the INR payment to be released from the seller's end to our bank account. We are forwarding this video till the time we receive our INR payment. So now, according to OKX, the seller has confirmed INR payment from his end. As we can see that OKX has enabled this Payment Received Release Crypto blue button. Before releasing your Bitcoin, you need to first check out your bank account and see whether you have actually received your INR payment or not. If you haven't received your INR payment and the seller claims that he has sent it, you can raise an appeal for the dispute by clicking over here. That being said, we have checked our bank account and we have received our INR payment from the seller. In fact, we also received an SMS on our mobile phone. So now, since we have the INR payment in our bank account, we can finally release our BTC and send it to the seller. Simply click on this Payment Received Release Crypto blue button. OKX will again ask you to confirm the payment receiving details. Cross-check it with the payment you have received and finally click on the blue color confirm button. The waiting page will automatically get converted to the order complete page with the details of your Bitcoin P2P trade. This means you have finally sold your BTC to your desired seller. Wasn't that great? Just a few clicks and boom, your Bitcoins are sold at the best market rates. Did you enjoy this video? If yes, then do like the video, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends to increase crypto awareness in India. Till then, happy trading!